Okay, I'm going to demonstrate how to make a basic folding origami type eye. Okay, so we have our square. It's a perfect square. It should be 6 by 6. Okay. We're going to fold it from corner to corner. So take the bottom corner. Yeah, it's easier if you twist it like a diamond or a rhombus, whatever we want to call it in the classroom. So we're going to take the bottom corner and fold it up to the top corner, like this, and make your crease. While it's folded like this, we're going to go ahead and take this corner and fold it to this corner, like this. Okay. And then make your crease. Make sure you're making that crease nice and hard because we're going to use it later on. So go ahead and do that. And then we're going to open it up. So you should have a crease going from corner to corner and corner to corner. Okay, now this bottom corner down here, we're going to flip it up. We're going to make the point touch the middle. Like that. We're going to do the same thing for the top. Like that. Okay? While it's still folded, we're going to fold the bottom again. Fold it up so it touches that middle crease. Like that. And then fold the top down so it touches the middle crease. Like that. Alright, do it now. Should look like that. Almost like a crepe. I wish there was some icing we could put in the middle. I love crepes. Okay, let's open it up. All the way up. So we have a diamond with a bunch of folds. Okay, let's take this top little fold and fold it down. We're using this fold right here. We're folding it down on itself, like that. Uh-oh, Miss Cunningham didn't get it exactly right on the folds. Let me do it. There we go. And then we're going to fold the bottom up on its fold. See how it folds? Well, we got to fold it the other way. So go ahead and use that fold as a guide and fold it. So now it should look like this. The top corner's folded in and the bottom corner's folded in. Okay, so while that's still folded in, we're going to fold it down again, like this. Okay. Does yours look like mine? All right, now we need to get a pencil. Let me find my pencil up here. Sketch, boys and girls. We're not going to hold our pencil like we do in the classroom to write our essays. A sketch is used with a soft hand. Our pencil's way out, and we're just going to draw, sketch a nice light. I'm even doing it kind of darker than I should because I want you to be able to see it on the camera. Just a nice light circle from the top of this little, what are we going to call this? Top fold to the bottom fold, okay? We don't need the eraser on a sketch. If we mess up, look, Miss Cunningham's going to mess up on purpose. If I mess up, oh, that's okay. I'm just going to go over it. I'm doing it so light that when I use my color pencils, it's going to cover it up. So we don't need to erase and get upset about mess ups. I'm going to leave my mess up there so that you can see that it doesn't really matter. Okay, so we have our eyeball and our paper folded down. We're going to go ahead and fold the paper again, like this. So now you can't see our eyeball anymore. It's all gone. Okay, let's flip it over. Flip it over on the back. Keep it folded. Flip it over on the back. Okay, this is a little tricky, so you got to stick with me. Watch. I'm taking this corner. Do you see my middle crease? You can probably see your crease better than mine, but there's a middle crease right here. We're going to bring this corner to that middle crease. See? See it's right there? All right, I'm going to put my finger there and then flatten it out. Make the fold nice and good. Let's do it again to the other side. Here's my corner, there's my crease, stick my finger there, and then flatten it out. Okay, so it should look like that. Okay, now we're gonna take this top piece right here. It almost automatically does it for us, but we're gonna go ahead and make a crease. So we're kind of making like a paper airplane front. You know how the paper airplane front has that little nose thing? I'm just folding it down. I don't know if I just said that right, but hopefully I'm not making it more confusing. And fold that down. You see? I just kind of folded the top down and folded the bottom down. This part doesn't really matter if it's perfectly together, or the demonstration I saw, it was perfectly together. Mine doesn't have, mine wasn't, and it still worked. So don't fret if it looks different than mine, as long as it's folded together, because we're going to use these things as the handles. Okay, so go ahead and do that now. Fold both sides, the bottom up and the top down on both sides. Okay, now, hold on, I think I skipped a step. Did I skip a step? No. Okay, so now we're going to take the edge of this top corner, flatten them back out. We're going to take the edge of this top corner and fold it in the edge of this bottom corner and fold it in, okay? And then we're going to take the top of this edge and fold it in, and oops, we want to try to make that fold go all the way, and then the bottom edge and fold it in. Okay, so it should look like that. If you messed up, just flatten it back out and do it again. Okay, it doesn't matter if we mess up on the folds if they're not perfectly perfect. Okay, so it should look like a boat, maybe, like a little boat. Okay, so these are our handles for our eye. Let's flip it over. It should work so that we hold the handles back here. I kind of have my pointer fingers in the middle, and I'm clamping it like that. You can hold it however you feel comfortable. And then it should, with a little help from our thumb, open and shut, like our eyeball does. All right, watch step number 2 on how to draw your eye. Goodbye.